Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities PCG Research. Bond yields fell to 3.42% after US inflation eased below 5%, which should raise chances of pausing the cycle of rising interest rates. Asian markets are marginally down and Singapore Nifty is trading up 30 points. Lower inflation will impact the dollar, and this is probably the reason why FIs have increased their inflows into emerging markets. They made purchases of close to 11,000 crores in the last 10 days. The US markets recovered sharply from lower levels and closed almost at an unchanged levels. In fact, Nasdaq closed above the crucial resistance mark, which is positive. If we go through with our markets, then here also we saw similar sort of activity. During the day, the market was around 18,320, on which we discussed on Wednesday. From there all the way we saw the levels of 18,200, and again in the second half the market recovered back to the same levels to 18,300. In fact, it was the first closing after almost 4 days of trading close to the important crucial level of 18,270. So on Wednesday we saw confident closing above the mark of 18,270, which acted as major resistance for the market since last so many months. So from here we can expect 18,400, 18,450 in the near term. So there we are now seeing good amount of resistance based on weekly expiry option statistics, and if we see any correction, then the market should not break the level of 18,200. That's the overall view. If it breaks that, then we can expect weakness to 18,100. Otherwise we are expecting market to rally towards 18,440, 450 levels on the dismissal of 18,350, which was yesterday's highest level. So broadly we are of the view that yesterday we saw a good amount of support from all the bank stocks. During the day they were down, but on intraday basis they recovered back sharply from lower levels and closed at the highest point of the day. Even Bank Nifty was around 43,000. In fact, it was below the levels of 43,000 during the day, but from there all the way it recovered back to the levels of 43,300. So the next level to watch out for would be 43,550, and on the dismissal of that we can expect rally towards 43,750 and 43,950. So 43,750 is again going to act as resistance for the market, but if we see the market is consistently, Bank Nifty is consistently sustaining above the mark of 43,550, then the chances of hitting and crossing 43,750 would turn bright. The strategy should be to look for adding position if there is any correction, or if we see the market is sustaining above the mark of 43,550 and 18,350. For the day, we are going to keep a focus and watch on select bank stocks. Axis Bank sort of companies, banks can do well. We also like select IT companies because Nasdaq closed above the crucial resistance level. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.